This is Jeff Mucci with RCR Wireless News at the 2012 CTIA Wireless Show in New Orleans with Bill Cune, who's VP of Strategy and Business for Corning MobileAccess. Bill, thanks for joining us today.
It's my pleasure. Thanks for having me.
Could you talk about some of the challenges you're seeing mobile operators face in deploying indoor DAS?
So I think the biggest challenge they're facing right now is really the speed of deployment. It's being able to deploy these things cost effectively, get coverage to their customers as quickly as possible. And that's really the challenge, the biggest challenge they're facing. And how you do that in a way that provides a flexible platform for the future so that they can adapt to the growing demand that they have.
How's Corning MobileAccess helping carriers overcome those challenges?
Well, so with our new Total DAS solution, with the marrying up of the Corning MobileAccess active electronics for DAS and the Corning cabling solutions, we're working up methods and solutions that really are tip-to-tip, an easier way and a faster way to deploy these, and also providing more granularity in the DAS architecture so that capacity can be directed into certain areas and flexibly adjusted as they needed to really help control capacity as well as interference.
Could you give us some specific examples of how the relationship now that MobileAccess has with Corning, how they've enhanced your product line?
Well, so it's really helped in a couple ways. One, the fact that we have the total solution with the cabling, as well as a new Corning product, which is a composite cabling solution that has both fiber as well as copper in it to deliver both bandwidth and power out to where you need it. That's really a very important thing, and it's getting a lot of traction right now in how you flexibly power these solutions, so you don't have to worry about bringing in an electrician to get power where you need the remote. You can now provide it centrally. So that's helped out tremendously. And the other side of it really is that I think the combination of Corning MobileAccess has really brought the strength and ability and weight of Corning to MobileAccess to allow us to really do some things that we didn't have the resources to do before. And so we're expanding our product line rapidly. We're innovating and developing new solutions. We've doubled the size of our development program, and we're coming out with new products that really create a total solution for us.
Can you talk about how the VE product line has evolved over the past couple of years?
Absolutely. The VE product is a very interesting product and innovative in that it does DAS over Cat5 cabling that has Ethernet on it. And some of the challenge with that, of course, are trying to share that cabling over 100 meters with the Ethernet traffic to be able to do a gigabit Ethernet as well as DAS. And so some of the early products were somewhat limited in the DAS bandwidth, but we've done a lot of innovation, a lot of research over the past couple of years, and last fall we announced a new VE product that covers the full cellular band and the full PCS band. So it's now more likely to be able to provide a dual carrier solution to an enterprise. The other nice thing about VE that really has proven to be a great solution, or it's been a great solution for this problem, is that there's a lot of existing DAS out there, and the carriers right now are wanting to add 4G to their DAS systems, and some DASs don't really allow for it, so you'd have to do a total rip and replace. VE has actually provided a nice way to put in an overlay DAS very cost effectively, very quickly, for a MIMO capability. So one VE solution can do 4G MIMO with one access pod. As an example, we did a couple of facilities out in Las Vegas for the CES show, and we had the convention center deployed in about 30 days and a major hotel deployed in about 21 days. And to deploy a complete DAS system for a overlay like that in that amount of time really is a tremendous innovation.
Bill, thanks for your time.
Thank you.
This is Jeff Mucci with RCR Wireless News at the 2012 CTI Wireless Show in New Orleans.